In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. We're keeping this simple and practical. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a product in Pipedrive so your quotes, deals, and reports stay consistent and professional. This is great if you're standardizing your catalog or just speeding up deal creation. All you need is access to your Pipedrive account and permission to manage products. First, head to your Pipedrive account using your usual login. Make sure you're in the right workspace if your company uses multiple accounts. Once you're in, look at the top navigation bar. Find the More menu, and from that drop-down, choose Products. This opens your product catalog, the place where all your items and services live for quick use in deals and proposals. Inside the Products section, click Add Product. This brings up a form where you'll enter the key details. Start with the product name. Keep it clear and descriptive so your team can find it easily when adding to deals. Next is the product code. This is your internal SKU or identifier. If you already use SKUs, match your existing format. If not, consider a simple, consistent pattern to make reporting and searches easier later. Choose a category to group similar items together. Categories help with filtering and analytics, especially when you're comparing performance across product lines. For unit, pick how you sell or measure this item, things like piece, hour, seat, or license. Billing frequency tells Pipedrive whether this is a one-time item or a recurring charge, like monthly or annually. Set this carefully for subscriptions so your pricing aligns with your billing model. Enter the unit price. If you work with multiple currencies, ensure the currency matches your typical deal currency to avoid confusion. Add tax if it applies in your region or for this specific item. Be mindful of whether your business uses tax-inclusive or tax-exclusive pricing so totals calculate correctly. Finally, set visibility. Choose whether this product should be visible to everyone, a specific team, or just selected users, ideal for controlling access to draft or internal items. When everything looks good, click Save. You'll return to the product list, and your new product should appear there immediately. From now on, your team can add it to deals without retyping details, keeping pricing accurate and consistent. That's it. Simple, clean, and ready for your sales workflow. If you ever need to adjust pricing, tax, or visibility, you can edit the product later without recreating it. Thanks for watching, and keep your catalog tidy for a smoother sales process every time.